Today we are going to be cleaning a washing machine filter right down over here. This is a fairly simple task. All you need really is a toothbrush, somewhere to catch water, and a rag. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to open up this little access panel. First thing we need to do is drain the water that is currently inside the filter area. You pull this bit of hose out and put it in your water catch and pull the stopper out of the end of the hose. And now the water is going to drain in just like that. This catch basin is actually not big enough usually for all of the water that's in there. So what I do when it gets close to being full is I put the stopper back in, go dump it out, and do it over again. Okay, I did have to dump this once already, and a little more water came out after that. But now no more water is coming out, so I'm going to put the stopper back in. And now it's time to unscrew the filter itself. You simply turn it counterclockwise. Until it comes out, more water will come out. That's why you want to have your rag right underneath. And pull. Okay, and there it is. Now you just take it to a sink and clean all that gray gunk off with a toothbrush, as well as clean off more gunk inside of the hole there. Now that our filter is nice and clean, we are going to use the toothbrush to clean the hole out. I'll use a paper towel to clean it all up. If you prefer, you might want to wear gloves. But really this is mostly just oils and greases and excess soap, lint, that kind of stuff, as opposed to mold or anything like that. Okay, let's put our clean filter back in. You simply align it so that the flat part is on the bottom. Push it in and turn it in a clockwise direction until it is tight. You'll know you're done because you suddenly can't turn it all anymore. Then you just push that hose from before, push it in, and snap that top part back into its holder. You're done. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions. Additionally, if you happen to like the shirt that I'm wearing, Marcus Vespasianus Agrippa, Sword of the Emperor, that's a ancient Roman history reference, come check out my new Etsy shop at Imperial Wears. That's Imperial with an I. I design all the shirts myself, and it's basically historical figures, at the moment focusing on Roman Byzantine, but I have plans to eventually include other other empires and ages as well. Thanks.